Feel boring with generic photo collage? Let's create your own photo collage with this idea. Of course, first open Canva and choose your project size. And then go to element. I will choose paper element. This is a pre-element. Let's just set it as background. Add a couple silhouette element like this. It's also a free element. Increase the size. Change the color to the color that you want. Like maybe this magenta or anything you like. And then go to frames and type here paper. There are some paper frames here, but I will choose this one, the circle one. Okay, let's reduce the size. And then let's off the other one. I will choose also this half. All right, so we can put it here. Okay, now let's arrange some circle paper photo frame in this silhouette. Like this, just duplicate, place it here, duplicate, place it there. Reduce the size to be placed here. Feel free to resize and place all the frames wherever you want. Okay. All right, so now you have it, and you can also add some text. And you can also add some ornament in the place that you like. So this is the simple tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.